Morning. This is Van with Level8 here to do the pre-market. We're at July 27th. Let's get going here. We're going to get close to the open. We're going to start with our key ranges chart as we always do. These are 5-minute charts of the two futures indexes, ES and NQ. We use the micro versions where most of the members trade. And we have the ranges like yesterday's, the last auction in particular. So there's L1 from Friday, H1 from Friday. We have pre-market highs here, pre-market lows in the Globex session since then. We developed some volume profiles, and then we'll get a structural read up of from this study, which will compare things like VWAP and the way that volume profile is migrating, etc. So right now we have likely bullish reads on both of these, and it has run up all night. There's it's undeniable that we've gotten the entire profile on ES is above Friday's auction. There's H1. We haven't quite done that with NQ. We have had a little bit of range expansion, but not much. Let's see, let's move on to some longer kind of time frames here. There's the daily. It's finally started to pick up some directional energy. It's been chopping around. This is new. It happened Friday, I believe. ADX coming out and getting it, finding some direction. We're going to have some levels down here. We've obviously had a little move up. This is a 4-hour chart, so we've still got those kind of back here in this 500 to 475 range. There is a little swing down here at 525 is the lowest swing we can see on here. So 525 down to 500, 450-ish, something like that is what we see on the chart there. ES is in a Bollinger Band squeeze here. It's we're going to wait to see if the open here, see if we break out. We almost certainly will, but that's what's happening with that one. No particular RSI, no particular extension of any kind going on. If we go to our 2, 5, 10, and 15-minute charts, a 10-minute chart, we have our levels from 5 days on there. So we can expect this to be a stronger level up here. L4 and L5 were both really tightly together. So that's 28,700 range. Obviously, we've been there. We were just there a few minutes ago. So let's see if that holds on. Beyond that, we have got the obvious H1 that we deal with every day. And above that, we go to 28,961. And then we get to 29,192, and this kind of starts to stretch. We'd have to have some ATR expansion to get to this one, but it could happen. It seems unlikely, though. The market's still really highly priced with what's happening in AI. We're toppy. There's a lot of questions over it. It's been dominating the market now for months and months. Certainly semiconductors that build out of the infrastructure. So we just have to see how this plays out. We've got some more immediate levels down here at 630-ish to play out here as we come down. This is a target zone, so it's a good place for that to turn around. Let's go off of that. Let's go to our execution chart here. It has some of our watch lists on it. So we execute on a 1-minute chart in the context of the larger charts, so the 5-minute, 2, 5, 10, 15, etc. But we can see here that the yields are falling, which is to say the treasury prices are moving up a little. That's a pretty good move on the 30-year of that. This is a bullish environment. We'll see if that hangs on. I'm not confident about it. Let's see, we've got oil is down. That's obviously supportive. VIX is 17.75. That's pretty benign. There's nothing special about that one, no, not high or low. The dollar's down just a hair. That's slightly bullish. Gold and silver are minorly up, and then we've got the indexes are all up a little bit. So we're missing. We don't have any good Mag 7 data or the indexes yet. So it's a mixed bag. Everything's pretty mild. The readings are all pretty mild. We had a big run starting the session yesterday evening. That was, here. This is a 30-minute chart. There's the open at 1700. It actually gapped. So I mean, the first thing that printed was a I think it was a 200-point gap here basically. So a 200-point gap. It runs up another 100 or so, and then kind of gets into a range for a while. And we kind of were still in that range that we started out with early in the evening. So we're just going to see where we come to. We're going to trade it either way. We have the tools for it, and that's why we're here. Guys, if you like this content, we have a YouTube channel. You can like and subscribe over there, Level 8 Trading. You can go to level8trading.com, get in our Discord channel, and you'll have access to our pre-market playbooks and our Discord rooms where you'll see how we trade these ranges and these time frames, and our kind of the way that we enter and exit our trades. And I'll maybe back for pre-market or post-market if we have something notable to talk about. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow morning, and good luck trading.